Hello my family and friends, this is Tatiana Silva, and today I'm happy to present you my open house in the beautiful city of Rancho Cucamonga. Please follow me, I show you the house. Right now we're in a master suite, and look how big it is. It has own fireplace and it does have own coffee room, or your makeup room, or just a place where you can relax. The fireplace is on both sides, and let me show you one of the biggest and the best features in the whole house. This is your master suite bathroom. Beautiful tub, a shower room, and you know the biggest surprise over here? Never guess. That's another lady's dream. Walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, look how many pairs of shoes can you have here, how many dresses. And you know what? You can have your friends accommodate here as a bedroom or playroom for your kids. It's a real big one, and it goes all the way back in. Oh my gosh, you know, this house has so many features. I would be more than happy to show you all these features. Beautiful view, all the rooms, all the surprises over here. And if you have any questions, please give me a call. My number is 661-373-2889. I have many more surprises for you. I would be more than happy to meet with you. Thank you, have a wonderful day.